Well, what a fantastic little overnight stop that was. Oh, excuse me. My glorious assistant Beverly is just putting the £10 donation in the honesty box. There's a little hardware gifts paint cross shop up there, ran by the owners of this park up, I believe, and a gorgeous view over the Atlantic Ocean. And another glorious day by the looks of it. Sun coming up. So yes.
It's on park tonight, isn't it?
Yes, it was.
What's it called?
I cannot remember.
We'll have a look when we go out.
Yes, we will put it. I'll put it on the screen.
Yeah.
The name of it. But, yeah. Excellent. All right, onwards to Durness.
Guess the bus trips are slowed down then.
Yeah.
They do bus trips, don't they? It's all nice ones,
They do.
I presume they come this way, they go to John and Grave, so.
Yeah. Yeah.
Lorry.
Should do.
Well,
there you go, you see.
yeah.
When they actually laid this road.
You wonder when they did?
Yeah.
It's been here a few years.
Oh yeah. Ooh, 3 degrees possible ice on road.
Yeah. I suppose. It's a few miles worth to do.
Yeah. French motorhome.
Huh?
It was a French motorhome.
What was it? So. Yeah, push out.
It is. It would appear so.
So it gets that high.
Yeah, can do. But they should still be visible above the snow.
So.
But if there's that much snow, you're right, the plough on that might have pinned down it. What's it going to be like?
It's like a skating ring.
Miles and miles of smiles. Gorgeous views. Just like
Breakfast. Bistro bars, harbour and beaches.
start going off all up the little ones, exploring them, you'd want a good couple of weeks at least, wouldn't you? To do it, if not longer. Nice! Double road.
Yeah.
Oh. Climbing again. A giddy. Giddiness. Bing! Just appears like a TV picture. Oh dear. That's a nice one.
Yes.
Quite happy waking up to that next door, isn't it?
Fuel signs.
Yeah. I wonder how much they're charging. There's about no place. Scary campsite. Public toilets. Need to cut down.
Fish and chips.
That's a proper place.
It's a proper place.
Well,
Yeah, I know what you mean. It's a little village.
yeah. No, it isn't. Highland fuel. 149 by ton. That's not terrible, really, being out here. Small shop. Viewing point. Campsite.
Yeah.
Campsite.
Oh, that's the one we said about before.
Scary caravan camping site.
Yes. Yeah, that was the one we said we'd stop at.
Ah, we didn't. Oh, we haven't this time.
Well, not this time, no. No, there you go.
But yes, yeah. Very nice.
Scouring.
You must remember these things.
Well, no, that's a real nice one.
Yeah. Oh yeah, Scary Rocks. Yeah, that's a nice little spot.
Yeah.
So you need. If you're going to start doing that, you definitely need a good few days, weeks, whatever. Don't you?
Well, if you're going to stop for a day or two, but then you can stop there for 2 days and then do like we've done before, just carry on and find somewhere.
Well, yeah,
True.
I
don't mind that. We got past 400.
Oh, wow. Boom.
What trees?
What? Chrissy tree while we're here. Yeah, I think this is our favourite bit around this section.
Yeah.
Getting up
Yeah, kind of from where we stopped. I mean, it's all nice. I mean, I can't say it's not.
Oh no, it's just the difference, isn't it?
Yeah.
This is west side's always more rugged, isn't it?
Yeah.
And dramatic. Whereas the east side's scenic and pretty. Wow. Oh boy. Oh yeah.
Not done any because there's too much.
Yeah.
There's no point because it won't.
I mean that is just amazing.
It's fine, nice.
Them two big buggers up there.
Yep. Take right. Yeah, you see, you get too much. That's quite nice, but you get too much, you can't. Everything else is. It's a good one, sir.
Ah.
Right. That's it. That's the name of the waterfall bit. Yeah, well, I think that's where the waterfall bit is in that place. It's a bridge. Stop. Too many cars in there. Oh, look at that one. Just come in.
Did you want to get out here?
Yeah, do you want to?
Yeah, can do. Where do you want to go?
Is that the one that takes you over the...
No, we're nowhere near that. Should we save that for next time?
If you want to, I don't mind.
I don't know where it goes.
Just say it's a drop back.
Oh, we can go that way. Oh.
You've gone right now, so...
Nothing back there.
Well, it'd just be interesting to see. For a change.
For a change, we've been once.
Well, we didn't go there, did we?
No, not that I know
That's
of.
what I mean, so just...
You picked it.
Let's go see.